Hello, today we are looking at 8 best car wash WordPress themes. All these themes mentioned are picked by experts based on the rating, high number of sales, and awesome features. Number 8. Car Wash. Car Wash is an ultimate car washing WordPress theme featuring design and functionalities suitable for automobiles, car painting, car service, auto spas, and websites. Additionally, this automobile theme extends to particular service extensions, such as wheel alignment, engine tuning, and lubrication. The theme features a gallery of before and after photographs, an appointment form, and a feature that estimates the appointment time. Number 7. Parkivia. Parkivia is an auto parking and car maintenance WordPress theme that is suitable for car accessories, automotive, parking, and car parts websites. The Parkivia theme allows you to create a creative, responsive, and SEO-friendly website for your car wash business. Number 6. Carlax. Carlax is a car parts store and auto service WordPress theme that can be used for auto parts, car accessories, car rental, and WooCommerce websites. The theme is designed to fit the needs of auto parts stores and mechanic workshops. It features an elegant design and is both powerful and multi-purpose. Due to its WooCommerce compatibility, this theme is ideal for an auto repair, tire, car care, auto painting, auto tuning, body shops, and car shows. Number 5. Total Car. Total Car is an auto mechanic and car repair theme designed specifically for the auto center, mechanic workshops, auto inspections, body shops, and websites. This theme is appropriate for any small business activities associated with cars or automobiles. You can select from various Google Web font libraries in the Theme Options panel to help make your brand stand out. This way, you can create a distinctive style representative of the organization's style. Number 4. Auto Spa. Auto Spa is a WordPress car wash booking theme designed for auto care, automotive, car design, car wash service, and websites. As part of your Auto Spa subscription, you'll receive a WP Bakery page builder plugin that will make managing your content more accessible, as well as Slider Revolution that will make displaying your content as stunning as it can be. Number 3. Ideal Auto. Ideal Auto is a car dealer and services WordPress theme for a car dealership, car listing, rental, and services repair websites. You can customize the layout of your website by rearranging the sidebars and changing the color scheme. The concept is minimalistic and highly flexible, so you can modify it according to your tastes. Number 2. Auto Glow. Auto Glow is a car washing and auto detailing WordPress theme that can be applied to auto repair, auto spa, interior car cleaning, auto service, and websites. You will impress your prospective customers with the professionalism and understandability of your website. It also offers all the necessary features to attract clients to your business. Number 1. Aqualine. The Aqualine is a car washing service with a booking system WordPress theme suitable for auto care, booking, vehicle cleaning, mechanic, and similar websites. With the Aqualine theme, you can edit your page immediately. All materials come pre-assembled, so you can start editing your page immediately. This theme includes all the pages required to create an online shop selling car parts, car washing services, tire and wheel sets, and other automotive accessories and parts. Finally, thanks for watching this collection of the best WordPress themes. If you have any experience with these themes, leave me a comment below, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you all in the next video, guys. Take care.